Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my video link if you're looking to Bitcoin. But first, I want to show to gold. Why I show to gold? Many of the Bitcoin holders or people who are the crypto sector, they have no idea about gold. Yeah, they're interesting only for crypto, and this is very danger because if you want to make an analyze, then you have to look to the stock market, to gold, to Bitcoin, and to others, yeah, or like silver. So why I'm showing you this, yeah, you can see that we have here a big fall at the gold price. Yeah, you can see 1,880, and you can see 1,780 was, yeah, tomorrow here or today in the morning. This was 1,780. 100 dollar is the gold price is going here to the downside. An interesting constellation here. You can see we have here an uptrend, and this is highly danger. Yeah, if you see here higher highs, it's highly danger. The price will fall more to the downside. And I come a little bit later to Bitcoin. So you can see the triangle here, and we could expect that the gold price will go here to the will go more to the downside and will make something like that. Yeah, the retest of this, and I think after that the price will go to these levels. And here we have a interesting constellation. If you look to this area, 1,680. Yeah, you can see we touch this one time, two time, three time. Go to the top side, yeah, the upside, and you can see we test this the fourth time. And this is the danger because the fourth time this will not hold. Yeah, the price will go here to the downside, and that means the next stop of gold is this here. You can see we have here also the possibility here, or we have this situation in the past. We try this test this one time, two time, three time. We're going to the top side, and pardon, and you can see the price will also go here to the downside. Yeah. So that means we will test this also the fourth time, and this will also not hold. Yeah. So that we going a little bit more to the downside. That means we have a good base here, and the price will go, I think, to 1,300, 1,200. Yeah. So something like that we will see, but I'm not so sure if we will see this now in this 1 month. This is possible because we have a highly dangerous situation, negative situation, or if we will see this in the next 3 months. But fact is, we will see this. Yeah, this is now. How can I say? We cannot go or go away from this formation. Yeah, the price will go here to the downside. Now we're coming to Bitcoin. Why I'm showing you this? Because the gold price and the Bitcoin price are, I will not say the same, but they have correlations and they have the time frame is different, but in the whole view, gold and Bitcoin have um, for people who understand the formation, the similar formation. So if gold is falling in the next 1 week, or Bitcoin will also fall. Yeah, we saw this in the past. Gold is falling, and then 1 week later, the Bitcoin price is also falling. So we have a good trend to the top side. We have here this gap. This gap will close so that the price will go here to 52,000 at these levels. Let's look, and I think we will go here to, I'm not so sure here, 50,000, 48,000, yeah, because we have a really good support from here, and that means we will stay here a little bit, yeah, to make or to test these levels. But you have to understand, I think we will lose here a little bit time, something like that. But you have to understand what you have, what construct you have here. Many of you think, okay, I have something like that, yeah, and the next trend is this, yeah, but this is wrong because this is an uptrend. Yeah, you have to look more exactly on these waves so that you understand. The walls won't make you difficult, yeah, and if they draw such lines like this, and then you know what happens, yeah. So they draw something like that. So the end of the day is that we will break this, we make a retest, and um, this formation is ending, and the next I think is direction to 30,000. Also, and if you look to the whole picture, then you have here also interesting constellations. Like I want to show you this. Let's make here blue. Yeah, you can see we have here really bad situation, inverse left shoulder head and the right shoulder. Let's look. Let's delete this and make here also left shoulder head and the right shoulder. And you understand what I mean, yeah? And I think for us is this here important. I draw this also here, yeah? You understand? Big move to the downside is coming, so that we will go here to 30,000, I think, yeah. So then I think we make a retest from this whole construct. We have here also, let's look, the situation that we have here also a big channel that going here to the top side. And I think after the retest of this whole channel, the price of Bitcoin will go to 10,000. Yeah, but the time frame is here from or if I look to the time frame, for me it's not so clear if we will see this until March. Yeah, if we delete this, let's say March, yeah, if you see something like that to March, yeah, or if the wall stretches to this to May, or if coming very bad and we fall here in December directly to the downside. It's really not so clear here at this area, but I think this fall here from 57,000 to 48,000, 50,000 is clear. That will happen maybe in the next days. Yeah. This is for me relatively clear, but for me it's not so clear here 28th of November if this 1 month uh, is enough to fall here to 10,000. Yeah, this is not so from my side so clear. So I think let's let this open and let's see what happens in the next days. Yeah, so I think, but the general view to Bitcoin is negative because you can see with your own eyes, we break here the positive trend line. Yeah, we break the positive trend line here. This was our small channel. We break this to the downside, yeah, and try to come to the top side or upside, but we have no energy. So I think the next support here is this level 51,000, but I'm here also not too sure we could go here to 47,000 because we have a really good support here. So I think 51,000, 47,000 is a good area, but this test will not going long, yeah? And after the test, the price will fall to 30,000, and we will go more to the downside. But the, the time frame is important. I think until end of December we could see here these levels. So have a nice day.